Now we're going to have some fun with multiple queries in the same select statement. So if we look at this example here, the question in English is, who has the same job title as Smith and makes more money than him? So Smith is saying, wait, who has my same job title and makes more money than him? So that's two separate queries. So let's look at that. So that's going to be, and give me their names and salaries and jobs. So give me the names, jobs, and salaries from EMP who have the same job title as Smith and make more money than Smith. So who has the same job as Smith and makes more money than him? So give me this information from whoever those people are. So select ename job sal from EMP, all right, where job equals, select job from EMP, where ename equals, enter Smith. Close parentheses. So the first parentheses here is going to spit out a job. So we said job equals, right? But we said and what? And makes more money than Smith as well. So we'll do and salary is greater than, select sal from EMP where ename once again equals Smith. Close parentheses. All right. Let's analyze this. So when you look at this statement, technically what it's saying is, give me the names, jobs, and salaries of anybody who is a clerk. The first parentheses technically says clerk. And salary is greater than, well, what's Smith making? Select star from EMP. Smith is making 800. All right. So now that imagine if we don't know that though. So the first parentheses from here all the way to here technically says clerk. Select ename job and sal from EMP where job equals, select job from EMP where ename is Smith. Well, what does Smith do? Smith is a clerk. And we want another condition to be true. And the salary is greater than Smith as well. Well, we know Smith's salary is 800, but once again, this is a small test table where we can see everything. So select this information, give me everybody's name who works in the same department, same job as Smith, and makes more money than Smith. So that's a fair question. That's a normal question that might be asked in any job environment. Show me everybody who does the same thing I do, but also makes more than me. Well, 3 people are clerks that make more than $800, as you can see right here. All right, so let's do another one. Who was hired after Turner and makes more money than him? So that's also a fair question. Like if somebody was hired before you, it's okay if they make more than you under certain circumstances. But if you've been at a company for 7 or 8 years and somebody was just hired and they make more than you, that might be a problem. So this question is, Turner's asking, wait, who was hired after me and also makes more money than me? So let's do that one. So we're going to clear screen. So we're going to select, and let's say Turner wants they just want their name. Just give me their name. So select ename from EMP where what? Where hire date is greater than, select hire date from EMP where ename equals Turner. All right. The first portion is we want the hire date to be greater than Turner's. So select hire date from EMP where ename equals Turner. We've done that a million times. This is just a basic select statement. And salary is greater than Turner's as well. So what's Turner's salary? How do we figure out Turner's salary? This is how we do it. Select sal from EMP where ename equals Turner. Close quote, close parentheses, enter. So this doesn't have much information, only one column, but we only ask for the names. So we said, give me everybody's name who was hired after Turner and makes more money than Turner. So only 3 people have a shorter tenure, but have more money, more salary. What if I wanted to see more information about these 3 people? Then in that case, it's just a matter of putting more information in the select statement. So what if the same question was asked? Who makes more than Turner but has worked here less time? Basically, whose hire date is greater than Turner and whose salary is greater than Turner. But I don't want to just see their names. I want their names, their hire dates, and their salary. So let's do that. Select ename, comma, sal, comma, hire date from EMP, where hire date is greater than what? Greater than this. Select hire date from EMP, where ename equals Turner. All right. And we want the salary to be greater than Turner as well. And salary is greater than, select sal from EMP, where ename, once again, equals Turner. So we're going to get the same information, Scott, King, and Ford, but this time we see the money they make and their hire date. So it's very important that you break this down in pieces to understand it. Break it down in pieces. This is a basic select statement that we've been doing this entire course. So is this one. But we're embedding these select statements in other select statements, so we can translate English to SQL. So English says, who was hired after Turner and makes more money than him? Who has the same job title as Smith and makes more money than him? Or her. All right? These are 2 subqueries in the same select statement.